Hello everybody, so now I'm going to stir fry long bean with chicken liver. First of all, stir fry the bawang besar. In the long bean, kicap manis, salt and aji, put in the chicken liver. I already boiled the chicken liver earlier. Pepper, now I'm going to stir fry bunga durian with belacan. First of all, stir fry the anchovies, belacan, shallot and garlic. Bunga durian, salt and aji, stir fry long bean with chicken liver. This one is sausage and fish ball. And this one is stir fry bunga durian with belacan.
Thank you for watching with me. If you like our video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Jessicajvst. Yes, that's right. Just type in the search Jessicajvst to view more of our videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.